If you like this video, be sure and subscribe. But this is a 2001 Chevy Tahoe, and I want to put a locking gas cap on. So on here, there's a middle pin, comes out with the screwdriver, and that tab comes off. And I don't want to leave this in here in case it falls out and I lose it. Let's see how hard it is to get out. I don't think that's going anywhere, so I'm just going to take out that middle part, unscrew the old cap, and I purchased a locking one. Put that on there, and with GM cars, I have a 03 Silverado 2, and you need to click it 3 times. If you don't, sometimes your engine sensor light can come on in the dash. So that comes off, clicks 3 times. So I'll put the key in, turn it a quarter of a turn. Now the cap just spins. It's locked, and that's it. Be sure and one of the keys on your keychain and put the other one somewhere where you know it is and mark it what vehicle it's for. That's it. Easy as that. And if you want to take this off, put the old cap back on, just reverse the process. Easy. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.